Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue ma chaîne. Aujourd'hui, nous avons voyagé à Londres. Nous parlons avec rich people. What's good YouTube? Welcome back to Adulting 101. I'm Nelson, I'm an entrepreneur and homeowner, and on this channel I talk about the process of going from a young adult to an adult that's paying bills, dealing with debt, investing, building your credit score, and everything else that comes on the way. Over the past few weeks, I've seen a trend of some guy in America going around to people in expensive cars, asking them what they do for a living.
Excuse me, what do you do for a living?
What do you mean?
Like, what do you do for a living?
I'm married. Why?
I thought, there are rich people in London who have nice cars. I don't think they'll be as friendly as they are in America, but someone needs to go and ask the question, what do you do for a living? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head down into London, into the richest areas and the most affluent areas, Mayfair, Kensington, all these places on the Monopoly board, and hopefully we see some people in nice cars, and hopefully they speak to a young black person asking them what they do for a living. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I made my way into London, had to get a bus, and then a train, and another train, and eventually made it into Oxford Street with my dog Monique. She's going to be helping filming today. I'm going to try and catch people in supercars and catch them slipping at the traffic lights, and yeah, see how it goes. Okay, so we decided to get some bikes to make our journey easier. I did just see some lady in a nice car, in a Porsche. So we need to find an innovative way to stop cars without getting hit by them. Riding around for how long? Over 30 minutes. Right, we found this first car. I'm not sure what car it is, but I'm gonna ask the guy. This guy seems to be the driver of the car. Hello, sir. Is this your car? So in one sentence, what do you do for a living? You're a chauffeur. It's one way to drive nice cars. What kind of people do you chauffeur? Like, what do they do?
Really high-end business people.
High-end business people. In any sector?
Not really. No.
Not really?
No.
Ranging from?
Property.
Property?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You can show the registration if you want to. It's in public. I mean, it gets about every half an hour someone's taking a picture.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's
There you go.
not an issue.
FBI. And what car is this?
That is a Bentley Mulsanne Speed.
Madness.
Which is basically the highest Bentley you can get.
It's the highest Bentley you can get.
Yeah.
Right here. In Mayfair. The people who are chauffeured in this are into property. Thank you very much. The chauffeur thing became somewhat of a trend. I stopped a few other cars. They had drivers, but no one in the back. Hello, boss. No, I want to talk to you. I love your car. What do you do for a living?
I work for this car.
You work for this car? Okay. Excuse me? Is this your car?
Why are you asking?
I'm making a YouTube video. Yeah? Is it your car?
Make a movie or wherever you're doing, we'll take a picture and I'll show you.
Okay. I hear it.
Equity trader.
Equity trader.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the other guy is financial
Finance.
with equity and all that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Italian.
Italian. Okay. Thank you very much.
That's his son's name.
That's his son's name. Not bad. Thank you. Can you wind down your window, please? I love your car. Is this your car? What do you do for a living in one sentence?
Building houses.
Building houses. In London. Nice one. Thank you. 007. Crazy. Remember this guy? Our friendly chauffeur couldn't get enough of the camera. He's back again. You just got this delivered?
Just taking it away, mate.
Oh, you're taking it away? Oh. It's only for... Oh, okay. Is this your car? Is this your car? No. Oh, we can't find whose car it is, but...
It's
calling me.
KSA on it. There you go.
Okay, so if you see a car with KSA, it's Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Heard it from the man himself.
Yeah. And then if you see mostly you'll see the G-Wagons with what looks like an English number plate like that.
Yeah.
It's those are numbers. That's at the time.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
I know, look at that. don't do this. After that disappointment, I decided we needed some lunch. Aside from spotting nice cars and stopping strangers in the street, I actually found a part of London I've never actually been to. Yes, boss. This West London district has all the designers, Louis Vuitton, Moncler, Hermes, Cartier, all these places, and I thought I'll just show that in the video for a second. Hey, oh, wait. Wait. Can you answer one question, in one sentence? What do you do for a living?
I'm actually investments, so I do real estate.
Real estate investing. Thank you very much. Cheers, man. We made it to Knightsbridge and undoubtedly found loads more supercars and expensive cars. But this is like a residential area, so a lot of these cars were just parked outside houses. Do you live here? Yes. Strange question. I'm making a YouTube video. Basically, I've been in Mayfair most of the day, stopping people in like nice cars and like nice areas, just asking them what do people do to live here or like to drive cars like this. Okay.
Smile out of you. You're up 2-0. What's the story? Are you not happy, or you're only half happy, or
Still to be happy about.
you're up 2-0?
Job's not finished. Job finished? I don't think so.
Okay.
Okay, so in one sentence, what do you do? For a living?
Oh, I work in finance.
In finance? What kind of finance?
A professional accountancy firm.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Nearly home now. Spent the past 5 hours stopping people in cars and in houses, asking them what they do. The common answer was like finance, real estate, them kind of things. So I've done a video on how to make 100k if you're trying to make millions and live in Mayfair, Knightsbridge, drive around Bentleys, all these nice cars, then yeah, that's what you need to get into, real estate. That's what I'm gonna get into. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this concept of asking rich people what they do for a living. Should I do a part 2? Be sure to follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Stay tuned for the next video. Let me know if you want me to do more adventure type videos. Enjoy the rest of your week.